Next step will be to install pedals, ensuring that the right pedal, which says R, goes into the right crank arm, and the left pedal, says L, goes into the left side crank arm. First, we'll apply a little grease to the right pedal to ensure that it doesn't seize down the track. We will tighten clockwise or towards the front of the bike with our hands, and then use our 15mm spanner to finish off tightening. Now we're installing the left pedal, and it's important to note that the left crank arm is reversed thread. So you'll still be tightening to the front of the bike, but it's actually going left. Using my hand until I get hand tight, and then I pull out my 15mm spanner again to finish the job.